everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle True 138 Super Sport car. Good looking car, guys. This is actually an older restoration. It's got 9,000 miles on the resto. So the nice thing about it is it's proven. This thing's built to drive. It's got some miles on it. If you've watched my videos before, I've told you sometimes when these cars just don't have very many miles on them, you know, there's going to be some shakedown. This car really, it really hits the road good. Seems like it's just going to make a good, you know, straight driver for a guy. And it's a real 138 Super Sport. Car came out of Kentucky. It's got a good, solid, straight Kentucky body. They finished it in Cortez silver. I love the color on it. It's got the factory black vinyl interior. Now the wheels and tires are new. It's got 18 and 20 inch Billet Specialties with I think it's ZR rated rubber all the way around it. Good looking car. Like I say, impressive. It really hits the road good. It is an older resto, so like I say, you're going to see some little stone packs and things like that. But they drove it. You know, they got in this thing and drove it, which is nice. Something's got on there, guys. If you're seeing that, I'm not really sure what it is. Something just... Correct SS hood. Glass is nice. You can see it's got the padded dash in there. I wish we had some sunshine. This is a pretty color with that metallic in it. I don't know what's something just blowing. Oh, I bet you it's the leaves, guys. They're blowing everywhere. Unfortunately, it's windy today, but the rain has stopped. And you're seeing that? It's just a little dust, guys. Pretty color on this car. It's got the original bezels. A lot of the trim's actually original. I think they've replaced the bumpers, but a lot of your trim is actually original. Yeah, and you can kind of pick at it a little. And that stuff's available if a guy actually wanted to change it. Sits good. Nice and straight down the sides. Good looking car, man. And a real car. Real 138 Super Sport. They have upgraded it to front disc brakes, which is nice. If you don't like the pinstripe, it does come right off. I know it says 396, but it's actually been upgraded to a 454 big block. It's got a Weiand aluminum intake. It's got the stock exhaust manifolds. Power steering, again, upgraded to power disc brakes. HEI distributor. You can see it's got the chrome air cleaner and valve covers on it. It's got the stock Harrison radiator in it. It's a 400 turbohydramatic trans. This is a good looking body style right here. Sorry, man, the leaves are, and again, it's just been windy out here. Everything's blowing all around. Looks like original A-pillar chrome. It's pretty doggone nice. They've definitely replaced those. Does have the original door handles on it. They've replaced the door rubbers. Door seams are clean. Stock black interior. It has one of the coolest options I think Chevrolet had. It has a blinker tach, which I think is super cool. Factory bucket seats, center console. It's got that sport steering wheel in it. Seats look good. Headliner looks good. Again, sport wheel. Love that, man. The blinker tach. 9,100 miles on the resto. Radio, I think the radio does work. Lower motor works. The clock is not working. Dual exhaust, 12-bolt 355 limited slip rear end. There's stuff everywhere in this thing. Sorry guys, the wind is just driving everything. Oh, you know what it was? They were out here blowing leaves. I bet you when they were blowing the leaves. Looks like it's got air shocks on the rear. Got a spare here in the trunk. It's all spackle coated. Yeah, they were out here blowing the leaves around out here. I bet you it got all over the place. Car's clean underneath. 12-bolt 355 limited slip. I think I might have already said that. That's a pretty color on this car. Like I said, I wish we had some sunshine so you can see it. Oh, we're missing one of our little, bet you I can get one of those. The chrome bezels on there. Seats look good. Dash looks real good. Gauges are nice and clean. I know pretty much everything in here worked except for the clock. I think I said 400 turbohydramatic trans. Again, it does have the original door handles. It's got the two meters, which is nice. The A-pillar chrome is really nice. Yeah, nothing crazy, no big monster cam or anything. Like I say, car hits the road good, ships out good. It's just a nice car. It's got a brake bias on there. That's what that brake line. They put a brake bias on when they put the disc brakes on it. It works. Say all the gauges in there work, fuel gauge, temp gauge works, holding good oil pressure. Backup lights work. Sounds good. Radio works, blower motor, oops, jeez, blower motor works. Wipers are functional. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us.